when you make me laugh through my nose. I hate the way you're so persistent, 'cause you know I'm not. I hate your presence, I get stupid and shy. I hate the way you tie your laces, it's weird. And I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Your affection, it frightens me. Yeah, I'm sorry, 'cause I'm here and I'm there like a rubber band. Maybe if you had Velcro shoes, I'd change my mind. Well, I guess that I like your music taste, and I like the game we play, and I even like to hate the way you tie your laces. But I'm sorry, your affection, it frightens me. Yeah, I'm sorry, 'cause I'm here and I'm there like a rubber band. And baby, if you had Velcro shoes, I'd change my mind and realize that maybe I don't hate you. And in due time, the tides will come again.